Have you ever wondered why bread in Europe often feels easier to digest, while bread in the US can leave you feeling bloated? It may not be your gut, it could be the grain itself. In many parts of Europe, farmers tend to use varieties of wheat that are higher in pure protein and often lower in certain types of gluten. In contrast, much of the wheat grown in the United States comes from different strains that can contain higher gluten levels, which some people find harder to tolerate. There's also another factor people talk about, the use of chemicals like glyphosate, commonly found in products such as Roundup. In the US, it's sometimes used in wheat farming practices, and critics claim it may affect gut health and contribute to inflammation. In Europe, regulations around this chemical are generally stricter. And here's something else to consider: iron fortification. Many American flour products are enriched with synthetic iron. Some researchers suggest that excess iron in the gut can feed harmful bacteria, potentially leading to more gas and digestive discomfort. European flour is often processed differently, with less reliance on synthetic additives. So when it comes to bread, the difference might not just be taste, it could be how it's grown, processed, and what ends up inside it.